Hi, in this video I will show you how to install Microtek XT3300 scanner driver in Windows operating systems. To do that, you will require its driver. I will show you where to download this driver and how to install it. Please follow the instructions. You will require this driver. Download this driver from the video description below. I have given the driver download link there. After downloading the driver file, just double-click on it to execute the driver installer. Click on Yes if it is asking permission to start it. After that, it will start extracting the drivers first. Select your preferred language and click on OK. It is preparing the installer, so please wait for a while. Now, select the option I accept and then click on Next. Click on Next again. Then click on Next one more time. It is installing the driver, so please wait. Click on the option Always Trust Software and then click on Install. Click on OK to reboot your computer. The scanner has been installed. These are the shortcuts that are created after installation. After rebooting, you can see the Scan Wizard DI icon has been created on the desktop. This means the XT3300 scanner has been installed successfully. That's it. Hopefully, you can install the scanner on your computer by following the same instructions. If you find this video tutorial useful, please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking on subscribe button to get updated such more techie tutorials. Have a great day. Bye bye.